everybody, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm coming to share a really simple project with you, which I have cased off the lovely Debbie toner. I was asked by one of my subscribers if I would show her how to make Debbie's page markers. So I contacted Debbie and she's given me permission to do a tutorial on these. Her idea, I've stolen it. You know, because I'm honest that way, and if I've used someone's idea I will say so. So this is Debbie's idea that I've pinched, and you know, I'm just going to use in my own colours and things like that. So I'm using the Tabs for Everything bundle. It's available in the current annual catalogue on page 43. Now you can get the stamp set and the punch as a bundle at the moment, and you know, you're saving 10%. Now the good thing about this is that it's carrying over. It is in the new catalogue, okay, however, as with quite a few of the bundles, it will be available separate. So the stamp and the punch will be available separate. You'll no longer get the 10% price. So if you want it, get it now. Save you 10%. So, super easy. You get a sheet of 12 by 12. And I am using, for mine, let me just zoom out. I'm using Calypso Coral because I seem to have, I don't know why, but I've got uggins of the stuff, so I'm going to use it. So what you do is, I'm not going to do all the cutting because you know it takes quite a long time, but you cut it to 5 inches, okay, and then cut the second half to 5 inches. All right, so that will then leave you a thin 1-inch strip. Okay, and then when you do that, you turn each 5 by 12 inch strip on its side, and you cut them at 1 inch. Now if you follow what I say and you cut it that way, yeah, you will have a very little waste on from a sheet of 12 by 12, and you will get, I believe it's 28, it's either 27 or 28, I can't remember, I think it's 28 strips like so. Okay, so that makes you 28 page markers out of 112 by 12. Now, obviously, the top bit's going to be extra, but, you know, I'm using scraps for that. So here are my strips. So all you literally do is fold it, okay? And then you get your Tabs for Everything punch, and you punch yourself a tab. And you fold it. Okay, and then you just line it up over the page marker like so, line it up flush and staple. Now these have lots of uses, okay. Now you can use them as catalogue page markers, you can use them in your planners, you can use them for lots of things, in your journals, with your TNs, as page turners, lots and lots of uses for these. And will tell you that last year I did use these, which were made just from the tabs, and then, you know, quite a few demos gave the downloadable little things to punch out of circles, and you stapled them to your page. But as you can see over time, I'm a bit tight and I didn't replace my catalogue, and over time they have ripped. You know, because they're protruding, because they're stapled on, they've ripped. Whereas the page turner idea, you can move them about, they don't have to be fixed. But they slide a bit like a handmade paper clip, so they don't damage your pages. So you know, you can have you could still print out these tabs here, but just have them at the top instead. Let me just show you with a few of them so you can see what they look like. And I think it looks pretty awesome, and I think they're awesome for planners too. So, you know, you can go through your catalogue and then you can use them as page turners, page markers, okay, whatever you want to call them. So this is how I've decorated mine. Now, you can line with DSP. I've got some here, and I'm just using scraps or leftovers. I'm going to make loads of these, and I'm going to gift them to my customers with the new catalogue. I may not line them all with DSP, I will say that. So we start off, so our strips measure 5 inch by 1 inch, so you're folding it at 2.5. So these are 2.5 long. Okay, so we're just going to go a little bit under 2.5. I'll probably do 2.25. Okay, 2.25 by just short of 1 inch. I'll do that 1/8 of an inch shorter. Okay, have I cut that right? Yeah. It didn't look right to me then for some reason, but there we go, that is correct now. And then all we have to do is attach it. And I'm going to use my fast fuse, and I just want to say, oh, I don't know whether to have the, I think I'll have that one. I'm just going to say, I thought fast fuse had finished, but it's still available to order. So if you love fast fuse, go and get it quick, because it is retiring, but it's still available. I honestly thought it had done. So I'm going to have to go and order myself a whole batch to last me until I can find a nice alternative. That looks pretty, doesn't it? So, I mean, you can use whatever DSP you've got. Use up your scraps, use up your, you know, your old stock. Use what you like. So I'm going to do a bit of stamping now. So my cardstock is Calypso Coral, so I'm going to use the coordinating ink, and then I know it's going to look alright. Okay, and I have some stamps already on some blocks. So I've used the scalloped circle stamp here, and then I've done a few. I've done the shopping cart, I've done the word look. There's loads of really cute sentiments on there that you can use. Some of them need a longer punch, but a lot of these will fit in the circles. So let's stamp our circle first. So there we go. And then I'll have the word look. Don't want it upside down. And there we go. And then I'll do another one, and I might do... which one shall I have? I quite like all of them. I like the thumbs up. I like the hearts. I like the shopping trolley. I'm gonna have the shopping trolley, I think. And then I can mark that on a page where there's something I need to buy. Yeah, which is probably on just about every page when we come to the new catalogue, because it's absolutely amazing. I will just say while I'm here, if you don't have a designated demonstrator and you're in the UK, please feel free to email me and ask to be put on my mailing list, and then I will send you a new catalogue towards the end of May. So to contact me and get on that list, just email me at amandacharlesworth08@gmail.com. It is in the description box below as well. So I'm just going to punch these out. Really simple. These are really quick and easy. I'm gonna, like I say, I'm going to be making a whole heap of these and gifting them to, along with the new catalogue. So this is the 3/4 of an inch circle punch, and that just fits perfect. So I'm going to, just for quickness and because I'm a little bit lazy, I'm going to use my fast fuse on here as well. Well, it works. So that can go in the centre of that one. Absolutely lovely. And why don't we just make another quick one while I'm here? I'll make another quick one. So all I'm doing is grabbing my strip, fold it in half, punch that on. So these are awesome if you're a demonstrator, they're awesome if you're a customer and you want to make some page turners for your own catalogue. Great for if you love, if you're a bit of a planner geek. You know, lots and lots of uses for these. I'll have that shopping trolley, I think that's awesome. So if you was doing your planner, you could put that near your weekly shopping list. Shall we make another? I'll cut another, quickly cut another one of these. So we want it just shorter than, so like 3/4 of an inch wide. I have literally just made this measurement up. 3/4 of an inch wide, and these are 2.5 inch long. So I'm going to do it at 2.25. I'll leave the measurements on my blog. So you know, I've done all the thinking for you. Easy peasy. So I just nip on over. There we go. I think my customers are going to love these. So yeah, I better get cracking, hadn't I? And make a huge mountain of them. But I mean, how simple is that? So there you go. Fantastic page turners. Thanks to Debbie for the idea and allowing me to use it. Please nip on over to my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk for the sizes, and don't forget to contact me if you want to receive one of the new catalogues. And some of these as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.